As many of you know, innovative solutions in demolition can be the difference between success and failure. Speed and efficiency are always a challenge, especially when there's a need to protect a sensitive waterway, as well as a traffic control system below a bridge you're trying to demolish. After many, many hours of brainstorming ideas, the PDI team and a mechanical contractor came up with the concept of the deflector shield. This innovative solution was seen by over 2.5 million people on social media and went on to win a Construction Innovation Award for the Toronto Construction Association. How did we do it? We took modular, pre-constructed pieces, took them down to site, and created a 5 meter by 10 meter deflector shield. We mounted the pieces on two 20-ton and two 30-ton carriers, and then we could walk the machines into position over top of the guardrail or extend them out beyond the deck above to protect the waterway below. As an added benefit, most of the material ended up being funneled to the center of the roadway, allowing for a quick and efficient cleanup and load out.